Today, I'm super excited. We've got Shon Isenhour on the show. Shon is the founding partner of Eruditio and accumulated years of education experience in speaking, training with a focus on helping companies solve their problems through project-based learning. Welcome, Shon, to the show. I'm super excited to have you today. I would love to start with your journey into maintenance and reliability, how you got into this small little niche, and your background, Shon.
Absolutely. Well, so from my perspective, I started out very early on. When I was old enough to hold a wrench, I was old enough to be a part of my father's business. He worked in maintenance. That was my early exposure. From there, though, I went off to North Carolina State University to engineering school, and then went out into industry as an engineer for quite a few years. And then somewhere along the way, I was pulled into the consulting side of maintenance and reliability. So I started out like a lot of engineers, more specific to engineering, but it seemed like every little fork in the road drove me closer and closer back to that maintenance side. And so, started out on the tools, and now I am an owner, a partner in Eruditio, and we do training and education specifically for maintenance and reliability folks.
Do you have any tips for folks who are working in the industry and may be negatively impacted by this lack of production? It could be layoffs within companies. What's the best way for me to respond if I'm a maintenance reliability engineer at a company and they have to cut costs? Any tips there?
Yeah, I'll give a couple, and obviously my travel schedule has reduced significantly because of the situations. We're doing a lot of online work with our clients, I think that's an option. So I think if someone is impacted, I would suggest that they reach out to you, Ryan, or to me. Let's have a conversation on an individual level. I'll be more than happy to take them through some material that they could begin to work on, to kind of improve their skills so that they're very employable as this thing turns around on the other side. We at Eruditio love developing people. So with this time that we've been given, I would love to say, reach out to me. And I'll give my cell phone number in the notes at the end of the show, but I'll give it now as well. It's 843-810-4446. I'll be more than happy to chat with you and, kind of talk about where you want to go and what you want to do long term, and share with you any of the things that I can share that I think will at least shorten the amount of time that you're in that unfortunate situation.